2020 Nissan Sentra SV with 35,000 miles. Hi everyone, my name is Carter and I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Nice little Sentra here. Man, these cars used to be bottom of the barrel, cheapest of the cheap. But these are nice cars now. Really comparable to a Honda Civic or a Corolla. Got the 2-liter automatic, touchscreen, keyless entry, remote start, all the steering wheel buttons for all the functions, all the phone hookups, alloy wheels. It's really a nice car. It's been a one owner. Carfax says 2, but it was only a month. I think it was just the title transfer for when I went to the lease company. Clear Carfax, no reported accidents. 35,000 miles under the factory warranty, fresh service. We had it independently inspected. That came back great. All it needed was tires. We put tires on it. You can upgrade that factory warranty very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance office, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. That's get pre-approved at the website. We're going to have you in and out of here so quick, we're not even going to give you a cup of coffee. Seriously, 20 minutes, that's it, in and out. We're not going to keep you all day like the big box dealers. Speaking of big box dealers, we don't play games. We put honest prices on our cars. We do not have the hidden fees. A lot of dealers, they're going to price their car $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 less than this. Advertise it at that. You can't buy it for that. A lot of dealers, you cannot write them a check for what they're advertising it for. Us, you can. No hidden fees. We do have a $145 dock fee, but this is your video coupon. Corey, give these folks a free dock fee. That's right. Price you see is price you pay. Back to the car. Again, new tires, black on black. Steering wheel controls. Got that sports steering wheel. Looks like it came out of a GTR. Push button start. Just really nice car. They're not the little cheapies they used to be back in the 90s, early 2000s. Nice and clean. SV's near the top. The only one that's more fancy in these cars is the SV Premium. So yeah, let's recap. 2020, 35,000 miles, one owner, clear Carfax, fresh oil change, fresh recon, brand new tires. No hidden fees. Oh yeah, factory warranty. No hidden fees. Fast financing. That's the Autorama advantage.